Are high-interest credit cards or personal loans weighing you down? Unlock gives homeowners a smarter option. With a home equity agreement, you can tap into your home's equity for cash today, and there are no monthly payments. Here's how it works. Unlock provides funds upfront and in exchange shares in a portion of your home's future value. That means you keep control with the flexibility to use your equity your way. Pay off bills, invest in home improvements, or set aside savings for peace of mind. For thousands of homeowners, Unlock has been the key to moving forward without the pressure of another payment. Put your equity to work for you. Visit unlock.com to learn more about a home equity agreement. That's unlock.com to learn more.
Terms and conditions apply. Not all homeowners will qualify. Not available in all states. Actor Portrayal. Home equity agreements are offered by Unlock Home Equity Solutions, Inc. In certain states, NMLS number 2657081. Visit www.consumeraccess.org for more info.
Your wedding begins here. You've found your person. Now find your perfect place. Welcome to Marin County, where your love story meets its perfect setting. Exchange vows beneath ancient redwoods on a sun-kissed beach or overlooking the sparkling San Francisco Bay. Whether you're planning an intimate elopement or a grand affair, Marin offers the space and the spirit to make your wedding uniquely yours. Discover where forever begins at visitmarin.org and explore the weddings page for details.
After everything that happened, me moving on to something new, starting over, rebuilding my life, starting a new journey. I think that's the blessing because something good came out of it. A lot of good things are happening at the right now. So I have to take that as a blessing in disguise from God. I'm glad that God got me out of the situation that I was in. Even though it wasn't pleasant, even though it wasn't a good situation that I was in, but something amazing came out of it. So I'm just happy to be alive and I survived the ordeal. I was a warrior. I was a fighter. I did not give up on my life, even though all before that I had suicide thoughts. I'm glad I was able to not push myself over the edge where I ended my own life because I know that it's worth living. God told me that it was worth living, that you deserve to be here on this planet. So glad I had another chance to be able to live and to move on with my life. I found peace and happiness, and I'm glad I was able to move on without any more negativity and outside noises or distraction in my life. I wouldn't be able to accomplish everything that I accomplished if I had stayed in that situation. I promise you on everything I love, I would have not never accomplished everything that I did if I had stayed in that situation. So I'm glad I would be able to remove myself from that situation and I was able to move on and I was able to find where I can go somewhere where it's peaceful and quiet, where I can think clearly and reflect on a lot of things that I had to endure on, even though I had to think about all the stuff that I went through. And I still have to carry all of that with me till this day. But there's not a day goes by that I regret any of the decision that I made. And I'm glad I walked away from it because it could have got worse if I stayed. So I'm just happy to be out of this situation. Me and my brother are good. We find peace. We're not mad at anybody. We don't hate nobody. I mean, it's all love on our end, but we may forgive, but we don't forget. There's some things that I can forgive what happened, and there's the other lot of other things that I cannot forget or forgive. So after the damage is done, there's nothing that nobody can do anything about it, except we need to go on our lives and move on. That's all we can do. But saying sorry is not going to fix every situation that has occurred. Sorry ain't going to do it. Sorry is with action than it is with words.